configuration. Extranet policy allows route leaks between the layer 3 virtual networks, the VNs, without using a fusion device. Extranet policy can be used to provide the endpoints, which is the hosts or users with access to shared services like DHCP, DNS, Internet, and so on through the Cisco DNAC automation. The shared services connect to a provider VN. The endpoints that use the shared services resides in a subscriber VN. And Extranet policy establishes the communication between the provider VN and subscriber VN. In the app, we are reducing the complexity of fusion configuration by automating the VIF definition, the sub interface, and the BGP configuration on fusion as per the configuration pushed by DNAC to the borders, and leveraging extranet policies to leak share the services to user VIFs like a campus and a BGP. This approach is reducing complexity and enhancing management. We'll go to the DNAC and we'll go to the provision fabrics, virtual networks. What I'm going to click is extranet policies. We'll create an extranet policies. We're going to enter like extranet multi site. Let's click next. In next, we're going to select shared services as a provider virtual network. Scroll up to here, we're provisioning a provider virtual network. Click next. We select the shared services. Then we're going to add campus and BMS as my subscriber virtual networks. Click next again. We're going to select the fabric sites, New York, SD2, SJ04. The extranet policy needs to be consistent across site. Click next. Here's a summary. We're going to review the extranet's policy settings, the extranet's name, the provider virtual network that shared services, subscriber virtual network is my campus and BMS. It will apply to New York 03, San Diego 02, San Jose SJC04. Click next. And we'll provision now. Submit. Go to the task. I'm going to pause my video till this task is provisioned. Alright, refresh, we'll have a success. Go back. Then we will verify the Lisp pub and sub HQ configuration. The Lisp pub and sub is the new SD access architecture built using the pub and sub. It's a publisher and a subscriber model. It enormously simplifies the design for some advanced SD access features like border convergence and the dynamic default border. In this pub and sub architecture, the control plane nodes are the the publisher. Here is the pub, and the border nodes are an subscriber. So this new pub and sub model also eliminates the need of redistribution of routes between the Lisp and BGP, as it runs natively using what I call Lisp. The Lisp here is running as a control plane protocol instead of BGP. It also eliminates the need of iBGP session between the distributed border and the control plane nodes and the transit control plane nodes. This step will verify the Lisp pub and sub configuration added previously to the campus control plane and campus border 1 and campus border 2. Let's jump into my campus border 1 device. Logging. We'll use show VF to check L3 instanced IDs on the border device, campus border 1. Show VF. Then I understand the ID, instant ID is 4101. Then I will use show Lisp instant ID 4101 IPv4 publisher to check the Lisp publishers on border device campus border 1. Show Lisp instant ID 4101 IPv4 publisher. Then I use show Lisp instant ID 4101 IPv4 publication a default route 0.0.0.0/0 to check the default route pointing to both borders, which are my campus border 1, border 2, and DC border. First, you will see my publishers are 1.2, my DC border, 1.3 is my campus control node. I'm sorry. 1.2 is supposed to be my DC control plane, which is my publisher. 1.3 is my campus control plane. Okay? This is what you are seeing right now. 192.168 1.2, 192.168 1.3. Okay? So let's execute that command. Show Lisp instant ID we know is 4101 share services IPv4 publication default route. Okay, then let's use show Lisp VF default session 192.168.1.3 to check Lisp session status with control plane campus CP. use show Lisp service IPv4 to check an IPv4 Lisp service on the border device, campus border 1. Now from my party session, I'm going to log into campus control plane. We're going to use command show Lisp session to check the Lisp session status on campus control plane from the fabric device. So we can find my border 1, my border 2, and my DC border. And this is my fabric in the box, .10, .9, .4 for my border 1, .5, that's my border 2. And we use the show Lisp instance. We know that's 4101 IPv4 subscriber to check the Lisp subscribers on a specific instance ID. Total we have 4. There are border 1, border 2, campus border, fabric in a box in the branch side.
Hey everyone, NetMaven here. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to dive into the world of amazing network technologies with me, and please feel free to leave your comments below. Hey everyone, NetMaven here. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to dive into the world of amazing network technologies with me, and please feel free to leave your comments below.